Don't stop. Watch out now. Watch out now. Don't stop. Watch out now.
Good morning. Another day on the bus. Here's what I got this morning. The place is corner. I was gonna bend these around and make a new corner up. I'm debating to take this whole piece off now since it's so rotted and just square my corner off and eliminate this roundness on the bottom. Just have a square. Cut this off here and there because I don't see much difference of make.
Don't stop. Watch out now. Don't stop. Watch out now. Don't stop. Watch out now. Don't stop. Watch out now.
There it is. This side's off now too. Ain't quite done yet, but kind of how it's gonna look. Yeah, that's not good. Cut this stuff all coming out here. It's all coming out. Work on this now. This out here. And then clean that up, get this ready to go. Hopefully we can weld up all this stuff today. But we're good. If anything, he brings out just a hair action. Allow that to be good there, and then have to tweak this thick, and that's not bad. A little bit far out on one thing. Yeah, I mean, it is what it is.